add some marks for texture.
Okay, so we're on step 4?
Yeah.
All
Because
right.
I wanna get some visual texture going on here in the background. So
Okay, I'll start that one. I wanted a Posca pen. I know I have another. Here's my whites. So where the heck are my darks? Oh, there they are. All right. I'm gonna get a brand new Posca pen. I'm gonna throw this one away because I want a finer tip than what I had, but still something permanent. I just wanted it to be. Why won't you open? I'll bite it with my teeth. Add some marks, visual texture to your painted images. Okay, I can do that if I can just get my stupid pen open. There we go. It's sealed with plastic, and then you've got to take that off, and then you got to prime the pen, of course.
yeah.
So let's find something to prime it on. Here's my notes. There we go. Oh, that was quick. This one's nice and juicy. All right, so I just want to make my images a little more interesting. So I might make maybe some lines in, to indicate some sort of interest inside these leaves, to give it a little bit more visual and textural interest.
Yeah, and all I'm doing is just adding some color for texture and pattern. Just to make it look a little more fall-like, and to tie those colors from the bottom of the page into the top of the page.
That's a good plan.
And I think I want to add that same green along the border here. And bring that down from the top as well.
And of course, as you guys are doing this, step by step, day by day, you'll have lots of drawing time, so you don't need to worry about drawing with a heat tool or anything like that.
Well, and it gives you plenty of time to think about, what it is you want to do.
Mm-hmm.
You can step back and take a look at the process instead of trying to rush through and do everything all at once.
Exactly. And I know that in the past during this challenge, Peg and I have rushed, and I know everyone else has rushed, because when you're trying to just get it done, maybe you don't have time to fuss about things and you just rush right through it. And that's not what we're looking for here. We're looking for thought.
Enjoy the process,
Thoughts and prompt, that's what art journaling is about, is giving yourself a break and letting yourself just play with creativity and thinking about your day and thinking, or thinking about what you're making. Like, this is a fall page. It's about the feeling of what it feels like in the fall to go out to the pumpkin patch and, whatever it is that you're going to do, feel it, relax with it, think about it, rather than rushing. So it should be much more calming for everyone. And art journaling is something that I do to relax if I have, time.
Right.
I haven't done it recently because I haven't had time, but take the time, make the time, give yourself a little bit of a break if you can. I think I'm going to also, like in some cases here, do some little hash marks to give a little bit of texture. That's always fun, little hash textures.
So I want to add some detail to the background. So I'm going to grab this detailer, which is a black lace mat from Jane Davenport. And I want to add a little bit of texture to the trunk of my tree. Maybe make kind of a knot hole in the tree itself. Darken up the edges to give it a little more dimension. This is a really nice little brush pen. I think I picked it up on sale someplace. I think it was Patty Tolley told me about these. I thought I'd give it a try.
Yep, it's always fun to try new things and see how they work.
Yeah. Well, these watercolors from Tim are definitely new. And did I need them? No. But what I thought for me is his palette is one that I love. So like when you look at these colors, they speak to me and they go with all of his other color things that I already own. So why would I not?
Yeah,
Not
absolutely.
that, you know?
My crow definitely looks more duck-like than crow-like, I'll tell you that. Oh well. He's a black duck.
Yeah.
Very primitive.
I had a black stone loon at one time. Somebody carved a stone loon for me. It's pretty cool.